What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Carpenter Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm taking the G35 to the body shop, as you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail. If you guys haven't watched the last video, pretty much what happened with this car and why I'm taking it to the body shop, I'm gonna give you guys a brief recap of that video, but I highly suggest you watch that video because I just break down the whole story, which I'm not gonna break down in this video. This video is just, I'm gonna just share like a recap of like what kind of happened, but the full story is on there, and you will actually see the damage is pretty good on that video just because it's raining, and I tried to look to see like where the damage at, but you know the water's kind of covering up. But we'll go to the gas station to see if I could show you guys the damages real quick before I take it to the body shop. Plus I need a little bit of gas, so we'll get some gas in there and all the stuff. But so recap of the last video, some kids scrabbled on my car, on this side, on the door, on the fender, the bumper, the headlight, where I got the damages. So after that video, I took it straight to the body shop. Guy looked over, around the whole car. I asked if I could get a whole paint job, and he said it's gonna be kind of difficult because only the areas where damage is done, they can like repaint it. If they didn't, like scratch up this side or scratch up, the spoiler or whatever, then I can't get another paint job or whatever. So pretty much what's gonna happen is he's gonna paint the hood, he's gonna paint the bumper, he's gonna paint the fender, and he's gonna paint the door. Everything else will be polished. So the whole car will be polished, and it will kind of like blend to like where nothing happened, which is cool. The whole car is gonna get polished, so everything is gonna look nice. Plus the hood and the bumper has some rock chips in it, especially the bumper. So I'm actually really happy about that, just because the car does have a lot of rock chips in the front, and that's what kind of like tore down from the mint. The whole mint thing is the rock chips. So I'm really excited about that. The car should be in there for about 2 to 3 weeks, which is not bad. I'm not really rushing to get the car out just because, it's starting to rain, so I really can't film any content with it, really. And I'm actually going on a trip next week, so it's cool. Kind of works out pretty good. So when I get the car, it should be like December 6th or whatever. I'm gonna make a video. Hopefully it's not raining. I'll make a video of like how the way it looks and everything, and we'll break everything down. But one interesting thing that I may do, and I'm still thinking about it, is I'm thinking about adding SPEC lights on the car, and I have to make this decision really fast. The reason why I have to make this decision really fast is because he said that he's gonna need the link when I get there, so he could order the lights, because pretty much they had scratched up my light, and I would need like another light on this side. But the whole thing about finding like the mint OEM lights that's not like aftermarket, because it is some OEM lights that you can buy, but I think some of them like are aftermarket or whatever. But like it's gonna be kind of hard to find like some good OEM lights, and plus I wanted SPEC lights anyway. I know what they say about the SPEC lights, like you gotta like do some stuff to where the water don't come inside, so I would ask them about that. If they could seal it properly, then I would probably just go ahead and go with the SPEC lights, because that's what I wanted anyway, to be honest. I really wanted some SPEC lights, and I was gonna get some. And what I'm trying to decide right now is either the clears or the smoked SPEC lights. I think the smoke will look better just because of the side marker that I have on it already, but I can always replace the side marker lights. But I feel like the clears would look better. It would kind of give it that OEM look, you know what I'm saying? But just update it, you know, just update it to the front end or whatever. So I'm trying to decide that right now. But man, look at all this rain, boy. This is crazy. I am excited about, you know, getting the car painted, getting the car repainted, and especially having that fresh look in the front. I hope that they do a good job. I heard this body shop, you know, does a good job or whatever, so hopefully they do a good job. If they do a good job, then that's just gonna be perfect. The G's gonna be looking amazing, how the way it once looked before. The first video I was very upset, I was mad, but I'm not even mad no more, bro. Like, if anything, like, it kind of worked out in my favor that I get the, you know, the bumper and the hood painted, because that's something that I always wanted to do anyway. Like, it's been in my notes for a long time to get the bumper and the hood repainted. So it actually kind of worked itself out. I haven't drove the car since I took it to the body shop or whatever. So, you know, it's just been kind of sitting. But now, once, you know, it gets out, go ahead and get that registration for the whip, and then it will be my little commuter car. I'm gonna stop yapping, y'all, and I'm gonna get back at y'all once I get to this gas station and try to show y'all the damage. Hopefully y'all can see it. I got a towel in here that I could like kind of wipe it so you guys can see. So all right, y'all really can't see it. Oh, well, you can see a little bit right here. See all that? Like I said, if y'all haven't watched the first video, watch the first video. Where's it at on this door? I just seen it. Can't really see it, but pretty much the damage is right here, a little bit on the light. See right there, little scratches, and then some scratches around right here too. This is what happened, man. This is what they did to me, man. This is what they did to me, man. This is what they did to me. Little scratches right here. My mint 2004 Infiniti G35 is ruined. All right, y'all, I made it to the body shop. Last walk around the G, man, till she come back all brand new. All brand new. Ready to drop her off. Say they come back at 3:10. Hopefully, the door is open, so they'll be back. And yeah, man. This car is about to rain. All right, so yeah, y'all. Gonna just sit here and wait until they come back. And yeah, man, it seems like I always catch them on their lunch. Every time I come, I always catch them on their lunch. So they'll be back in a minute. Just gonna have to wait in the car. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I strongly encourage you to watch the first video because you'll know the whole story. I didn't break down the whole story, like just everything in that first video is very detailed. This one is just me dropping off to the body shop so y'all can see that, you know, we finna do the thing, you know what I'm saying? Finna make sure the G is in good tip-top shape. Hopefully it comes back better than ever. But I got a few decisions to make right now as far as the lights. If I'm gonna go SPEC D or I'm gonna go OEM. So I guess we'll find out in the next video. So stay tuned. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.